Today we are talking about something that will interest you. Whether you've just had a baby or are preparing for that sacred fourth trimester, this video is for you. Grab your tea, get cozy, let's heal together. Here's the thing, postpartum isn't just about baby, it's about you, your mind, your body, your hormones, your heart. The fourth trimester is a real, tender, transformative season, but so often women are told to just bounce back. No, ma'am, we don't bounce, we rebirth. Food is your first medicine. After birth, your body is depleted from blood loss, from hormonal shifts, from, well, growing a human. Here's what I recommend for natural postpartum nourishment. Warm, easy-to-digest foods. Think bone broth, stews, congee. These support digestion and rebuild your ki or energy. Iron-rich foods. Liver, yes, liver, spinach, blackstrap molasses, great for blood restoration. Healthy fats, avocado, ghee, and flaxseed oil help replenish hormones. Herbal teas, nettle, raspberry leaf, chamomile, soothing, mineral-rich, and gentle. Avoid cold or raw foods in the early weeks. They can dampen digestion and slow healing. Let's talk plant magic. Here are my top 5 postpartum herbs. Shatavari, the queen of postpartum hormone balance. Ashwagandha helps with stress, sleep, and restoring vitality. Motherwort for emotional calm and uterine support. Fenugreek for boosting milk supply. Turmeric, a gentle anti-inflammatory, great for healing tissues. And don't forget your postnatal vitamins, especially iron, B12, and omega-3. Mama, let's not sugarcoat it. Postpartum can feel heavy. Mood swings, anxiety, even depression are real, but you're not alone. Get sunlight daily. Even 10 minutes helps boost mood. Skin-to-skin contact with baby, with yourself, with your partner. Ask for help and accept it. You're not supposed to do this alone. If you're feeling off, don't wait. Natural healing works with medical support. Never be afraid to talk to a professional. Rest isn't laziness. Rest is medicine. Create daily healing rituals. Warm sitz baths with lavender and calendula. Abdominal massage with castor oil to support womb healing. Journaling, process your birth, your emotions, your evolution. Simple breathwork or 5-minute meditations to ground your nervous system. Even 10 minutes of intentional care a day adds up. Mama, postpartum is not a time to prove strength by pushing through. It's a time to remember your strength by honoring your healing. This season will pass, but how you support yourself now will echo in your health for years to come. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with a fellow mama, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural women's wellness. Have questions or want me to create a full postpartum care plan video? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, be gentle, be nourished, be empowered.